We're here today to talk about the 601 and the 601A waiver. These waivers sound alike, but they're really not alike. The original waiver is called the 601 waiver. It was created back in 1997 when the law changed for the worse. What happened at that time, the law said that anyone that remained illegally in the United States more than 6 months, but less than 1 year, if that person leaves the United States, can't come back to get a green card for 3 years. And if a person remained here more than 1 year, then he can't come back for 10 years. This caused a lot of problems. Imagine you get married, you have children, and you can't get your green card unless you leave the country and stay out. But there was the 601 waiver that was created at that time. And that 601 waiver would allow a person to apply to reduce the period, be it 3 years or 10 years. But the difference with that 601 waiver and the new 601A is that you could not apply for it in the United States. You first had to go for your interview at the consulate. And when they told you at the consulate that you need a waiver, then you are told to file the waiver in the United States. The problem with that is that that waiver could take 6, 8, 10 months, a year or more to be approved. Meanwhile, the family is separated. So for that reason, for many years, not many people took advantage of that waiver. However, in 2013, the law changed. A new waiver was created, 601A, and this waiver allowed the spouses of U.S. citizens to apply for the waiver while they're in the United States. And then when they left the United States, they would only remain there like 3 weeks and then come right back. And it was fantastic. But the problem was, it was only limited to spouses of an American citizen. And what about the spouses of someone that has a green card? What about the children of a lawful residents or the children of American citizens that are over 21? They could not get it. But under the 601A waiver, now if you have a spouse who's an American citizen or a legal resident, or you have a parent who's an American citizen or legal resident, you can apply for this waiver. And you could be applying, let's say, for a green card based on a job, labor-related, and you have it all approved, but you're here illegally, so you have to leave the country. And of course, as we all know now, you can't come back for 10 years. But if, let's say, you have a parent who's living in the United States, who's legal in the United States, you would be able to apply for a waiver. This site is going to discuss these waivers, how to get them, who can qualify and who cannot qualify. Stay tuned. You're going to enjoy this.